Now, the judiciary says it has reduced backlog of cases by nearly 20% in the last financial year.
Well, Chief Justice Martha Koome, issuing a status report on the state of the judiciary, attributed the gains to, among others, use of technology and alternative dispute resolution, pledging to continue implementing reforms to ensure speedy justice and access to justice, irrespective of one's social standing.
Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi challenged the judiciary to work with other institutions within the legal and justice system to ensure justice is not a privilege but a fundamental right.
The State of the Judiciary and the Administration of Justice report was delivered Friday, painting a picture of the achievements and challenges within the justice system in the last financial year 2022-2023. Revealing the state of the judiciary, Chief Justice Martha Koome highlighted 423,394 new cases had been filed and 419,262 of them had been resolved, which marked a 5% increase from the previous year. Additionally, the report indicated the judiciary had reduced case backlog by 18% from 336,119 to 272,678. Enhanced court annexed mediations, mainstreaming alternative justice system, and integration of information communication technology are some of the milestones in enhancing access to justice.
This includes the introduction of e-filing in 6 additional counties beyond Nairobi, digitizing court records, and expanding virtual courts for better efficiency, effectiveness, and accessibility.
The judiciary also received 1,212 complaints, mainly concerning slow services, lost court files, and delayed judgments. Despite the 5% rise allocation from 18.12 billion in financial year 2021-2022 to 21.13 billion in financial year 2022-2023, the judiciary is still facing funding challenges. The Blueprint Social Transformation Through Access to Justice 2023 to 2033 is tipped to address long-term standing gaps in the Kenya legal system, where only 10% of justice seekers find resolution of disputes through courts and 71% through non-state mechanisms, leaving 19% without legal redress.
Our processes will be streamlined and simplified, not just for efficiency, but to ensure that justice is reachable and understandable to every citizen, regardless of their social or economic status.
In the same breath, Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu reiterated the significance of the blueprint as an important milestone for the leadership and management of the judiciary that will reinvigorate their reform agenda.
The STAJ is a deliberate and structured statement and toolkit to ensure that all our activities and interventions are people-centered and result tangible and measurable, socially transformative outcomes.
Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi emphasized the need to ensure justice for all.
It is important because there are fundamental questions. When should a minister step out of office? When there's a change of government. There's a very serious gap there, and a lot of things happen.
Former Chief Justices Dr. William Mutunga and David Maraga cautioned politicians against playing politics with the judicial system.
The judiciary is the place where the bewildered will run to. That's why we were called the Temple of Justice.
The independence of the judiciary is not for the judges. It is actually first and foremost for the politicians. They're the ones who benefit most from that, and of course the rest of the wananchi in the country.
This comes as the judiciary plans to establish more specialized courts and fully equip the existing ones. Michael Mondiga for Easy Friday.